Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Welcome to my. What is factor students? Factor. Factor is a number that divides a given number without any remainder. Here we will divide 6 with 2. 2 3s are 6, so 6 minus 6 is 0. There is no remainder, so we can say that 6 is a factor. 2 is a factor of 6. Both 2 and 3 both are the factors of 6. If we divide 6 with 3, the answer will be 2. So we may remember about factors. 1 is a factor of every number. Each number is a factor of itself. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers. Numbers which have only two different factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. Examples 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2, factors of 3 are 1 and 3, and so on. So all the numbers that have only two different factors, they are called prime numbers. Now make a list of prime numbers from the given numbers. Numbers are here 17, 45, 11, 18, 33, and 25. Yes, only 17 and 11 are the prime numbers here. Students, today we will learn about co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, two numbers that have only one as common factor are known as co-prime numbers. All the prime numbers are co-prime numbers. Here we will see an example of 35. Factors of 35 are 7, 5, 1 and 35. And factors of 39 are 3, 13, 1 and 39. Both of these numbers have 1 as their common factor, so we will say that 35 and 39 are co-prime numbers. Now we will solve question about co-prime numbers. First question is find the factors of 6 and 25. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. What are the factors of 25? 1, 5 and 25. Now we will find what is the common factor here. Yes, 1 is here the only common factor. So we will say that 6 and 25 are co-prime numbers. Now we will solve another question. Find the factors of 12 and 21. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What are the factors of 21? 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now, what are the common factors? 1 and 3. So 12 and 21 are co-prime or not? Yes, 12 and 21 are not co-prime numbers. Now we will solve another question. Find the factors of 7 and 2. What are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Now we will find the common factor. Common factor here is 1. So we will say that 7 and 2 are co-prime numbers. Now we will solve another question. Find the factors of 9 and 16. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4 and 16. Now what are the common factors here? Common factor is 1. So we will say that 9 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Now we will solve another question. Find the factors of 21 and 27. What are the factors of 21? 1, 3, 7 and 21. What are the factors of 27? 1, 3, 9 and 27. No. What are the common factors here? 1 and 3. So are these co-prime or not? Yes, these are not co-prime. 21 and 27 are not co-prime numbers. Why? Because both of these have common factors 1 and 3. The co-prime numbers have only 1 as their common factor. So we will say that 21 and 27 are not co-prime numbers. Now, consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? Like 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So we will choose two consecutive numbers. Find the factors of the first number. Find the factors of the second number. What do you find? Repeat this for another pair of consecutive numbers. Now we will take our two consecutive numbers 14 and 15. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Both of these numbers have a common factor 1, so we will say that 14 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Any two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Points about co-prime numbers we have to remember. Properties of co-prime numbers. Two numbers that have 1 as their common factor, they are called co-prime numbers. Two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Any two prime numbers are always co-prime. We will see an example, students. 2 is here. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2, and factors of 3 are 1 and 3. When we take out the common factor, the common factor here is 1. So we can say that 2 and 3 both are co-prime numbers. Now it's your turn, students. Find the factors of 21 and 22 and find whether they are co-prime or not. Note down your homework, students. We will create a poster. I want to create a poster describing co-prime numbers. Give the definition. Give examples of numbers that are co-prime. Give examples of numbers that are not co-prime. Detail some of the rules we have looked at. Students, today we have discussed about co-prime numbers. And what are co-prime numbers? They are numbers that have 1 as their common factor, and we saw different questions about it. Now you will this is your homework and you will note down this. Students, today we have learned about co-prime numbers. Next time we will study about composite numbers. Now what are co-prime numbers? The numbers that have 1 as their common factor, they are called co-prime numbers. And next time we will study about composite numbers. So you will remember co-prime numbers, factors, and prime numbers. Thank you, students.